see what happens when I do this. Let's get some of that. Going down there. Now, not a fan. Not a fan. I'm going to have to look at some reference. You know what? I've written the title incorrectly. This title has been incorrect for a very long time. Joseph is not the favorite son of Jesus. He's the favorite son of Israel. So embarrassing. Have I ever read the Bible? Do I know who Jesus? Jesus doesn't have any children. Jesus has many brothers, but not any children. Not any biological children, that is. And once again, I went too crazy with these wrinkles on this part of the knuckle. I can't help myself. I just love wrinkles. Wrinkles are so much easier, so much more fun to draw than a hand without wrinkles. All right, we'll come back to that hand. So, I'm really excited about the Bible study that we go to at our church. It is, surprise, surprise, it is a Bema Bible study. Oh, Michael Bolden. Wrinkles do look fun to draw. You are not wrong. See? Clothing, even more wrinkles. Yes. See here? This is called a half block fold. So cloth does not just make one smooth curve like that. If you're going to make a curve, the cloth is going to branch out like this, like a straight branch, another straight branch, and this is a straight branch, and then here's a straight branch, right? And at the end of those branches, you're going to have Q-tip. I call them Q-tips. And then this is going to get dark right here. And then we use the marker to show where the sun is. And then you just repeat. Keep on doing what you're doing. Think at myself, gotta draw more wrinkles. This has a little bit more width to it. So if you want to know more about drawing half block folds or any kind of wrinkles, there's a book called it's by George Bridgman. I forget the full title, but the word drapery is in the title. When you're an artist and you're drawing clothing, we call it drapery. We don't just call it clothing, we call it drapery, as if you're wearing curtains. It's curtains for you. Curtains for you, Mugsy. Let's accentuate the little ripples there, the little waves in the ocean, and just make it all dark. Do the same thing for this. Looks like I drew this a little fast. Looks like I drew this with a little less detail than the inker would have wanted. When I'm thinking like a penciler, I'm not giving all consideration to the person who's going to be inking this later, even if it is me. When I'm thinking like a lazy penciler, like I just want to get this done, I'm not taking into consideration that someone's going to have to remember what I was thinking when I was drawing this.